Investing in mutual funds can be an effective way to diversify your portfolio and potentially achieve long-term financial goals. Here's a simplified guide on how to invest in mutual funds. Set your financial goals. Determine your investment objectives, such as saving for retirement, education, or wealth accumulation. Clarify your risk tolerance and investment time horizon. Research and select funds. Research different mutual funds and their investment strategies. Consider factors like fund performance, historical returns, expense ratios, fund manager experience, and the fund's investment philosophy. Look for funds that align with your investment goals. Choose the right mutual fund company. Select a reputable mutual fund company that offers a wide range of funds and has a strong track record. Consider factors like customer service, ease of account management, and online tools and resources. Open an account. Contact the chosen mutual fund company or visit their website to open an account. You can choose between individual accounts, joint accounts, or retirement accounts like IRAs or 401k plans. Determine investment amount. Decide how much you want to invest initially and set up a systematic investment plan if you prefer to invest a fixed amount at regular intervals. Complete the application process. Fill out the necessary forms, provide identification documents, and make the initial investment payment. This can typically be done online or through paper forms. Monitor and review. Keep track of your investments and regularly review the performance of your mutual funds. Assess if they are still aligned with your goals and make adjustments if necessary. Seek professional advice. If you're new to investing or unsure about which mutual funds to choose, consider consulting with a financial advisor. They can provide personalized guidance based on your financial situation and goals. Remember that investing in mutual funds carries risks, and past performance is not indicative of future results.